Many people, especially new investors who just got in at the bottom and are now selling at a loss, are upset with today's sudden flip in the cryptocurrency market. In spite of positive headlines, Shiba Inu took a hit, probably as a result of the wider market slump brought on by Bitcoin's fall. It's interesting to observe that Shiba Inu frequently follows the price of Bitcoin closely. Recently, Bitcoin had an occurrence which has contributed to market volatility. There was a lot of buzz about the event and anticipation of a market boom that followed, but the complete effect on the price of Bitcoin may not be immediately apparent, according to past experience. It usually takes around 6 to 9 months after a big event for the price of Bitcoin to start climbing considerably. An unforeseen event concerning BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF occurred at the same time as today's market meltdown. April 24th marked the end of BlackRock's ETF's 71 days of positive inflows. The sudden stop in incoming funds and people started to wonder what was going on behind the scenes once a Bitcoin ETF was approved, which led to suspicions and inquiries. The crypto community is abuzz with speculation due to the unexpected financial nature of the sudden stop of inflows following persistent positive activity. The abrupt stop in inflows is surprising and worrisome because many had expected the Bitcoin ETF to keep drawing big investments. In sum, the current market slump shows how unpredictable the cryptocurrency market is and how important it is to comprehend the business as a whole. Although it's natural to be anxious about the here and now, it's critical to keep an eye on the big picture and be aware of anything that could affect the market in the future. Speculation and discussion have erupted on social media and online forums over the sudden absence of inflows into BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF, which had experienced 71 days of positive activity in a row. Even though this has never happened before for BlackRock's ETF, other ETF participants often experience it as well. As an example, Fidelity has gone 2 weeks without receiving any funds. As a result of all the excitement leading up to the event, many are sad that the 71-day streak of inflows has ended. With this 71-day streak, BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF proves its market significance by placing it among the top 10 funds of all time by yet another metric. However, although it's worth noting the current decline in Bitcoin's price and other cryptocurrencies' performance is due to factors other than the lack of inflows. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust ETF's persistent outflows are a major contributor to the current market slump. There was a net withdrawal of $120 million from the spot Bitcoin ETF on April 24th, as Grayscale recorded outflows of $130 million. Unfortunately, Grayscale's ETF has been steadily losing money. In addition to other Bitcoin ETF participants, including dry spells, has exacerbated the market's pessimism. A domino effect occurs when the price of Bitcoin, the leading cryptocurrency, falls sharply and other cryptocurrencies often follow after. Because of how interconnected other cryptocurrencies are, a decline in Bitcoin's price impacts the market as a whole. Despite the pessimism, though, the Shiba Inu environment has been seeing some fascinating changes recently. Despite an 8% decline in price, trading volume for Shiba Inu has increased significantly. That there has been a surge in the token's popularity or activity. Furthermore, Shiba burn data shows that Shiba Inu's deflationary characteristic was significantly enhanced, with 22 million tokens burned in 24 hours. Shiba Inu's and other cryptocurrencies' growth is heavily impacted by these characteristics, which include burn rate, trading volume, and significant transactions. In general, investors can watch and evaluate market trends, especially within individual cryptocurrency ecosystems like Shiba Inu during today's global downturn, which is both disturbing and attractive. Prior to its most recent decline, Shiba Inu had established itself as a top 10 cryptocurrency asset by effectively converting the $0.000006 level into support. As has been noted for the previous week, the principal goal was to make more progress in its larger route to recovery. With a staggering 61% increase in huge transactions in just one day, totaling $162 million, the price momentum of Shiba Inu could receive a major lift. If whale activity continues to rise, holders of the Shiba Inu tokens that were sold off could see their value restored. The general market movement is another important indicator to keep an eye on. As mentioned earlier, Bitmart, a top cryptocurrency exchange, has launched a sale where Shiba Inu fans may buy tokens at a 30% discount. Given the recent market slump, this offering couldn't be more well-timed, given the promising future of Shiba Inu's development and recovery. An upcoming Launchpad event will provide customers with an opportunity to purchase Shiba Inu tokens at a discounted rate as part of Bitmart's commitment to thank them for their support. In order to get tickets, Bitmart customers can take part in future promotions. And these are your tickets to the flash sale lottery, where you can save 30%. Up to 2 tickets are available to each Bitmart user. A lot of people in the Shiba Inu community are happy about this sale because it's about 30% off the average price of Shiba Inu right now. Not only that, but Shiba Inu is now available to New York customers of the well-known US-based trading site Robinhood. Although Shiba Inu was added to Robinhood in 2022, certain users, especially those in New York, were unable to access it due to legal restrictions. Confidence in Shiba Inu's long-term profitability and authenticity is bolstered by Robinhood's recent acceptance in New York, which implies compliance with tough regulatory standards. This clearance further solidifies Shiba Inu's status as a trustworthy cryptocurrency by highlighting its respect to regulatory criteria specified by New York authorities. These advancements lay the groundwork for the crypto sector to experience higher popularity and growth. Recent moves by Robinhood, like moving a large number of Shiba Inu tokens across internal wallets, suggest that the platform is being ready for a possible surge in new customers. All things considered, Shiba Inu's future looks promising for the next week, thanks to a number of indicators that point to possible improvement and expansion. Keeping a careful eye on these trends could offer investors and enthusiasts some great insights. Feel free to provide your opinions in the space provided. I can't wait to hear what you think. Keep checking back for future updates if you're interested in finding out more. False information about the release of the tree token has the Shiba Inu community on high alert. Consequently, an urgent alert has been issued by SHIB Army Scam Alerts, an X-handle committed to exposing frauds and safeguarding the Shiba Inu community. The alert reiterates that the tree token has not been officially distributed. Additionally, the SHIB team has not yet had an official launch, contrary to recent assertions. Because of this, the Shiba Inu community should exercise care and wait for official confirmation of treat's release before making any investments or transactions with it. Additionally, they should prioritize financial security and stay attentive to protect their assets from unlawful treat-related actions. The Shiba Inu has been making great strides as of late, is set to launch its next-gen fully homomorphic encryption FHE blockchain, powered by the future tree token, after successfully raising $1.12 million from major VC partners, with Cypher Capital leading the charge. When it comes to Bitcoin privacy and trust, the FHE technology, which enables computations on encrypted data, would be revolutionary. But there's a huge danger lurking in all that excitement, which is why the tree token needs an immediate alert. Remember, Shiba Inu community, the SHIB team has not started any launch of the tree token, thus any assertions to the contrary are untrue. Additionally, for up-to-date information about the treat launch, they should only trust official announcements. Significant developments have been brought to the ecosystem with the migration of the Shiba Inu decentralized exchange, ShibaSwap, to Shibarium. Announcing the switch from Ethereum to Shibarium, Shiba Inu's DEX ShibaSwap is now live. A major milestone in ShibaSwap's development has been reached with this move, leading to advancements on the Shibarium network and opening up new avenues of possibility.